mate. You're going to put him off it completely. Come on.
Good boy.
What's this? Shall I just pick him up and plonk him in there?
Hang on, look.
Come on, do. Come on. Hey. Come on. Come here.
There's my boy. There's my boy.
Come on.
It's okay.
Oh, it's my boy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Alright.
Don't plonk him in the deep end, Adam.
Oh, boy, yeah.
He's hanging on. Look at him clawing you.
He's a boy. You alright? He's a boy. No, don't wait him. Don't. You alright? That's it. Nice. I don't want to put him in there, put him off going in there completely, wouldn't it?
No, just let him
What do you
wet
reckon?
his feet.
Just right in the shallows.
So hold on to the lead.
Get it off your wrist, that's it.
Let go.
He's a boy, it's alright. It's alright. Come on. Dexter. Come here. You alright? What's this? What's this? He's a boy. He's a boy. Come on. Come on.
There you go.
What's this? You dropped it. In the water. In the water. Come back. It's a bit deep there, isn't it?
He's alright.
It's my boy.
Good boy, Dexy.
What's this? Good boy. He was holding on tight on me, wasn't he?
Take that off now.
I bet he comes back in by his own accord now. Hey!
Yeah, kick his ball in.
Come on! Come on!
Good boy.
Come on! Come on! Come this way!
No.
Come here! Come on! It's your boy! It's my boy! Come on! Come on! Come on! Here. Oh! Come here. What's it done here? That might entice him to get in.